motivating. I think it kind of. Hey guys, this is Shruti and welcome to my channel Mascara and Muscles. I make videos about beauty, fitness, lifestyle and spirituality. If this is something that interests you, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell ताकि मैं जब भी video upload करूँ, you guys are notified. And for all those who are tuning into my video again, thank you so much for your support and your love on my content. It really means a lot. And without further ado, now let's get started with the video. So it was organized by Fitonity, which is a fitness app, and I am very closely associated with them. And it was curated by Kunal Rajput, who is a celebrity fitness trainer, and that's why I was extremely excited to be on this challenge. So now let's go back in time.
So that little bum was my major concern, and I wanted to improve my food habits as well. And every time I worked out or lifted weights, this is how I would dance to glory and feel utter happiness and joy.
So like I mentioned before, the duration of the challenge was 30 days and जो इसका type of workout था was functional training, and the price of this entire challenge was 17,999 for the early bird and 2,000 like 1,999 for the people who like enrolled later on. तो because ये कोरोना के टाइम पर of course लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर challenge create हुआ था, तो it was designed in a way that is comfortable at home, and there were like 4 types of workout. One was for beginners without weights, then there was beginners with weights, then intermediate level without weights, and then intermediate level with weights. So according to your own capacity of fitness, you were supposed to choose your workout, and I'm going to share more details with you in terms of how it all went. क्योंकि मेरे को पॉइंट्स याद नहीं हो रहे थे, तो मैंने नोटबुक में लिखे हुए हैं. So basically सबसे पहले उन्होंने इंट्रो कॉल करा था, जिसमें they took you through the entire procedure of how it will go on a WhatsApp call, जिसमें सारे participants थे. Then they basically told you, they gave you a list of do's and don'ts of the entire challenge, and they also provided with a grocery list. So I think I forgot to mention, इस entire challenge में उन्होंने workout and diet provide करा था, because as we all know that the major process of having a fitness transformation lies in what you consume. तो इसलिए it was very important to follow a strict diet, and that's where the fun was, I think. And yeah, one more important point that I have to mention here, because there were so many people in this challenge. Of course, it wasn't customized according to your fitness goals, but generally एक plan होता है जो कि fat loss के लिए होता है and strength increase करने के लिए होता है. So it was focused on that, which is of course like needed for everybody. Everybody has fat and उनको fat lose करना होता है और strength increase करनी होती है. So basis that they had created this entire program. तो जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि उन्होंने एक WhatsApp ग्रुप क्रिएट करा हुआ था, जिसमें सारी कम्युनिकेशन होती थी. तो every day, actually every night, we used to get our workout for the next day, and they had planned live classes for that same workout, which was happening every day in the morning, सुबह 8:30 and शाम को 7:30. And आप मतलब किसी भी बैच में जा सकते हो. Since I am a night person, I prefer working out in the evening. तो मैं 7:30 वाला जो है live class करती थी. Otherwise, if you like miss it, you have the workout with you on your WhatsApp, so you can of course see that and do it yourself. Okay, and then next very important point here is we were all accountable to mention our entire diet. सो जैसा कि मैंने अपनी ब्रेसेस वाली वीडियो में मेंशन करा था दैट मेरे साथ नॉर्मल चीजें होती नहीं है, तो इस केस में भी while I was on this fitness transformation journey, I was shifting between 3 houses, yes, not 2, 3 houses. तो of course मेरे लिए keep up करना बहुत वो था, मुश्किल था. And not only that, I was actually going through a lot of stress because there was a huge chaos and personal reasons. तो इस वजह से भी जो मेरा 1 महीने का जो पीरियड था वो मेरी लाइफ का आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा chaotic पीरियड था. And also, by the way, if you guys haven't watched my braces wala video, which is getting a really good response, then I am linking the video description mein, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so this was about my experience, and मैंने actually I remember मैंने जाके बहुत ही स्टार्टिंग में I was very enthusiastic about this challenge. तो हमें जब ग्रोसरी लिस्ट प्रोवाइड हुई थी, मैंने जाकर खुद सब कुछ ऐसे शॉप करा था, ट्रॉली में सामान डाला था. आई लव ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग. एंड ऑल्सो आई रिमेम्बर बीच बीच में मैं खुद भी अपनी मील्स बनाती थी, विच वॉज ऑल्सो क्वाइट एक्साइटिंग बिकॉज लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे आई रिमेम्बर कि मेरे अंदर का शेफ जाग गया था, तो उसको मैंने वापस जगाया था. एंड वी वर ओनली सपोज टू ईट हेल्दी, which is very very important. If you have to see any results in your body, it is extremely important to do conscious eating.
So this is a video that I had captured after 2 weeks into the challenge, and if you want to see the results that I got after 4 weeks, wait till the end of the video.
With this, I want to highlight why I got the results, and it has got everything to do with your diet. तो entire जो हमारा डाइट प्लान था उसमें of course मैं बहुत strictly और rigidly उसको follow नहीं कर पा रही थी because of my situation. But what I did take care of was these 4 points. First was no outside food. Literally मैंने entire 1 month period में I think 1 या 2 बार बाहर से मंगा के खाया था, and उसमें भी I of course did not consume unhealthy food. बाहर का था but unhealthy इतना नहीं था. Second is no junk food and no fried food. Strictly मतलब strictly chips वगैरह मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं कंज्यूम करे. मैं मखाना खाती थी और डेट्स खाती थी जब मुझे भूख लगती थी, क्योंकि मेरे को हर 2 घंटे में भूख लगती है. और फ्राइड फूड बिल्कुल like zero. And then no butter. I didn't consume butter at all, and अब I think मेरे को आदत ही हो गई है, मैं बटर कंज्यूम ही नहीं करती हूँ. Even though I loved butter, but just got rid of it because of this challenge. Then last is most important, that is no sugar. Literally even in my peanut butter there was no sugar. मैंने वो भी unsweetened peanut butter खरीदा था. Even in my honey there was no sugar, जो कि थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव होता है वो रॉ हनी, बट टोटली वर्थ इट. एंड आई वॉज वेरी पर्टिकुलर कि जो भी मैं कंज्यूम कर रही हूँ उसमें 0 शुगर हो, लाइक 0. हमें स्ट्रिक्टली बोला हुआ था कि देयर शुड बी नो शुगर कंजम्पशन एट एनी कॉस्ट. सो ऑनेस्टली ऐसा नहीं है दैट आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु डज नॉट लाइक चॉकलेट एंड ऑल, बट समहाउ आई हैड ट्रेन्ड माई माइंड यू नो टू नॉट get carried away with sugar. And मैंने strict instructions अपने आप को दिए हुए थे कि I will say a no to sugar whenever I see it. तो मुझे इतना मुश्किल नहीं हुआ. And till date I am glad to announce that मैं बहुत ही negligible amount of sugar consume करती हूँ because I have seen results. And I'll tell you honestly, मेरा actually main concern था मेरे belly area पे थोड़ा सा fat था. Again I have an important point to mention here. लोगों को लगता है कि इतना सा फैट है तो क्यों मतलब उसके पीछे ऐसे मतलब पतली लड़कियां इतना वो क्यों करती है. आई हैव अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर माई सेल्फ, एंड मेरे स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से वो ज्यादा है. हर किसी का अपना स्टैंडर्ड होता है, किसी का इतना सारा फैट होता है उसमें भी वो कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. मैं नहीं हूँ. सो या मैं हूँ पतली लड़की, बट मेरे को इतना सा भी फैट मेरे लिए इट्स नॉट ओके. सो या no sugar is the key, at least for the changes that I saw in my body. A big reason for that was because I stopped consuming sugar. So my feedback for this entire fitness challenge was that it was actually very challenging. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतना challenging होगा. And even though I've been into fitness for so long, मैं beginner workout करी थी, imagine, and that too sometimes without weight. Actually mostly without weight. तो maybe कहीं ना कहीं because of the entire lockdown मेरी शायद strength कम हुई थी, but it was quite hard. It wasn't easy. And one thing that I noticed about this challenge, or rather for any challenge I would say, is that it is very motivating. So जब इतने सारे लोग साथ में participate कर रहे होते हैं, and I think we had more than 500 people registered for this, तो उस टाइम पे you just don't feel like giving up or quitting, क्योंकि there is this energy of everybody. And Zoom call पे जब हम करते थे, it was really exciting to see everybody doing it. And even if you lag behind, you just try to cover up, क्योंकि तुम्हें दिखता है कि सब लोग कर रहे हैं, तो you have to match up. So yeah, it was very motivating. I actually loved the entire experience. जो भी मैं classes कर पाई और मैं participate कर पाई इसमें, I'm very grateful to Fiternity for this initiative, and they are still organizing these challenges regularly. So you might wanna check them out on Instagram, or you can check out their website. I'll put all the links in the description below. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I totally loved sharing. As always, मेरे को अपनी journey आप लोगों के साथ share करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Also, there is a very special, amazing video coming up soon on my channel. I am currently in Mumbai, and I am gonna show you something really cool. Okay, you guys must watch my next video. Hopefully within a week's time I am gonna release it. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you so much everybody who's watched the video till the end, and thank you for your support, your love. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, very important. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.